Top 200 Secrets of Success by Robin Sharma. Secret number 31. Maintain a diary to measure your progress and to express your thoughts. Writing out not only your successes but your troubles is one of the world's most effective methods of erasing the worry habit, staying in optimum state, and developing precision of thought. Secret number 32. Read The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. It contains a wealth of wisdom and powerful insights into further developing your character and enhancing your personal relationships. Secret number 33. Become a committed audio tape user. Most personal mastery programs and books are now offered in this format. Listen to these inspirational materials on your way to work, while waiting in the line at a bank, or while you wash dishes in the evening. Make your car a college on wheels and use the drive time to make knowledge your best friend. All downtime can be very effectively used in this productive fashion. Use such opportunities to learn and continually expand your mind and its vast potential. Secret number 34. Try fasting one day every 2 weeks. During these fast days, drink fruit juice and eat fresh fruits only. You will feel more energetic, clean, and alert. Fasting also has a salutary effect on your willpower as you are subverting the otherwise pressing impulses in your mind calling on you to eat more. Secret number 35. Keep a radio cassette player at your office and listen to soft, soothing music throughout the day. Place pleasant scents and inspirational pictures in your workplace. By the magic of association, your work will become something you enjoy even more and arouse a very pleasant feeling within you. Budget your time on trips such that you can spend half an hour in the airport bookstore. They always contain the latest and best self mastery books and tapes, given that those who travel by air are of a group that finds value in these materials. Secret number 36. Read as a Man Thinketh by James Allen. And do not just read this little book once, read it over and over again. It contains an abundance of timeless wisdom on living a fuller and happier life. Secret number 37. Remember that forgiveness is a virtue that few develop, but one that is most important to maintaining peace of mind. Mark Twain wrote that forgiveness is the fragrance the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. Practice forgiveness, especially in those situations where it is seemingly difficult, by using your emotional forgiveness muscles more regularly. Petty wrongs, remarks, and slights will not touch you, and nothing will penetrate your concentrated, serene mindset. Secret number 38. Empty your cup. A full cup cannot accept anything more. Similarly, a person who believes that he cannot learn anything else will stagnate quickly and not move to higher levels. A true sign of a secure, mature individual is someone who sees every opportunity as a chance to learn. Even the teachers have teachers. Secret number 39. The 2-minute mind is an excellent exercise for developing concentration. Simply stare at the second hand on your wristwatch for 2 minutes and think about nothing else for that time. At first, your mind will wander, but after 21 days of practice, your attention will not waver during the routine. One of the greatest qualities a person can develop to ensure his success is the ability to focus for extended periods of time. Learn to build up your concentration muscles, and no task will be too difficult for you. Secret number 40. Drink a cup of warm water before a speech. Ronald Reagan employed this strategy to ensure that he maintained his honey smooth voice. Mastery of the art of public speaking is a noble goal, so dedicate yourself to it. You will be judged by the caliber of your communication skills.